Hi, my name is Sigrid Dawson. I'm one of the podiatrists at Balmain Sports Medicine. Today I will be taking you through strapping for blister prevention. First, we'll apply our hypoallergenic underwrap tape, applying it to the whole base of the foot and including the Achilles region of the ankle as well. Making sure when you apply the hypoallergenic underwrap tape that you ensure there are no wrinkles, as wrinkles can become a point of friction down the track. The second step is to apply a rigid sports tape. This goes over the hypoallergenic tape. Same rules apply. It needs to be applied with no wrinkles to ensure no friction areas. In addition to this, felt deflections can be added for specific hotspots if they occur. With the hypoallergenic tape, you can choose to individually wrap each toe if they are areas of friction and blisters also.
Our podiatrists are available for strapping consultations in the lead up to your event. Please call us on 9818 1004 to book your appointment now.